A project manager plays a crucial role in performing integration within a project. This involves coordinating and integrating the various tasks and activities that need to be completed in order to achieve the project's objectives, as well as ensuring that all team members have a shared understanding of the project's goals and objectives. The role of the project manager is twofold when performing integration on the project. First one being the project managers playing a key role in working with the project sponsor to understand the strategic objectives and ensure the alignment of the project objectives and results with those of the portfolio, program, and other business areas. In this way, the project manager contributes to the integration and execution of the strategy. The second being, project managers are responsible for guiding the team to work together to focus on what is really essential at the project level. This is achieved through the integration of processes, knowledge, and people. Integration is a critical skill for project managers. Integration is covered more in depth in the project integration management knowledge area of this guide. And focuses on integration that takes place at three different levels: the process, cognitive, and context levels. At the process level, the project manager is responsible for developing a clear project plan and timeline, assigning tasks to team members, and monitoring progress to ensure that the project stays on track. They must also be adept to identifying and addressing any issues or roadblocks that may arise in order to keep the project moving forward. At the cognitive level, the project manager must facilitate effective communication and collaboration among team members and provide support and resources to help them work effectively together. They must also be able to manage conflicts and resolve any differences of opinion that may arise within the team. Overall, the role of the project manager in performing integration is crucial to the success of the project. By effectively coordinating and integrating all aspects of the project manager helps to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. They are the driving force behind the project, bringing together all the necessary elements and ensuring that they work together seamlessly towards the common goal. See you in the next lecture.